There's some amazing rock work here that I don't think is very old. Who knows, there's a date there. I don't think that was whatever year that is. It is quite amazing. Torn out of these rocks on Red Beach Cliffs, Matala in Crete. And I hope that one doesn't come down because I won't be here. And there's more of these carvings everywhere, and rocks piled on top of rocks, balanced on. There's as we're moving closer, it looks like an owl. Keeping watch. Glorious, glorious sandy beach. Beautiful clean water. Fantastic. Absolutely amazing. Pure nature. So difficult to convey this on a film, but this is as good as it gets.